Daddy,
Huh?
wanna try this?
No way, Jose.
Why try? I will give you 100. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So it's December 27 here, and punta tayo dito sa labas kasi nga nag-snow siya. Sa labas nag-snow siya. And
okay, here's Emma in one of the first snows of the year. See, there's hardly no snow. It'll be dry snow, it's not wet snow, huh?
is that? And then look at the, it's really nice, no?
Well, dead plants, I guess, are nice.
Yeah, oh, look at this here.
A cotton ball, huh?
Yeah, there's a balls. Looks beautiful. No?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Balls, Daddy.
Yeah, there's not enough to make a snowman, and it's too dry. Yeah. Huh?
Oh my gosh. Why there is a plastic? Oh, I thought it's a plastic. But here, I like here, Daddy, the balls.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like this one here, huh?
Yeah.
The little balls on the top.
This one, oh? Yun. Ang ganda niya tingnan. It's a foggy. Nag-fog siya and then umuulan ng ice. Tingnan niyo yung mga puno. It's around 11.
Like I told you, the bridges are really slippery.
Yeah, huh?
Underneath and on top. This is where you'd find your ice.
Hala, ang dilan niya. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So, it's around 10:30 now here in the morning, Monday. And magluluto tayo ng tuyo. Ito yung tuyo na inanuhan ko, papakita ko sa inyo. Dito tayo sa labas. Tingnan niyo yung puno, atong puno na yan. Pero hindi, parang ano siya, Christmas tree. Ang ganda dito. Tingnan niyo yun, oh. Dito din. Dito. Ang ganda. Against the light lang. Pero maganda siya. Dito din. Tingnan niyo yung mga ano. So, alis si Brian. So, ito yung ano ko. Dito tayo sa labas. Nagluto ng tuyo. Sarap! So, luto na yung ano natin, yung dried fish, and kain na rin tayo, pero yung rice ko hindi pa siya luto. Hintayin natin yung rice. Kain na sa tuyo na masarap. Lord, thank you for this food. Bless this, O God, and salamat sa kusog kabasbog araw-araw. Amen. And then may sauce ako dito. Yung may sili. suka, and then sili, and kape. Sarap. Daddy, do you want to eat?
No.
My breakfast. And then nagluto din ako ng itlog. Ayaw ni Brian, kumain yun kanina. Itlog, nilapwa ang itlog. Lami siya na. Tikman natin to. Hinugasan ko muna to. Hindi siya para lami. Nabili ko yan sa Asian store. Daddy, wanna try this?
No way, Jose.
Why try? I will give you 100. Try. Oy, Filipino breakfast.
What part of no don't you understand, babe?
Ah,
Yeah.
this
See, it doesn't
this
pass.
is a fish.
I don't care. It doesn't pass the smell test. I can smell the stuff outside. Just smelling it outside, the smell makes me want to vomit. So there's no way I'm going to eat it. Mwah. Look, it still stinks in here already from that stuff. There we go. Okay.
Ayun.
But you enjoy though, baby. It's good food for you.
Yeah. Aray, kainit. Namimiss din naman natin to. Ito yung favorite nating mga Filipino. So, tinanggal ko yung mga gamit ko dito, guys. Yung gamit namin dito. Kasi nga bukas may magwo-work dito sa ano namin, sa counter. Papalitan to. Ito. And then nilinis ko siya, tinanggal ko yung mga gamit. And bukas i-change to yung counter at saka yung floor, kasi nga yung floor namin sa bathroom, ito yung floor. And then papalitan yan kasi nga ang ugly, ang kanang pangit. So yun, papalitan yan, floor at saka yung counter, ito yun. So bukas kaya tinanggal ko yung mga gamit. Yung tinira ko lang yung ano ni Brian, toothbrush at saka yung hand wash. And yeah. So di ko alam kung anong kulay yung ipapalit ni Brian. Si Brian yung nagde-decide. So yun guys. Yun lang. And naglilinis ako. Kasi nga bukas may trabaho ako. And yung ano namin, nagtutupi ako at naglalaba.